Hey friends, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic to share with y'all this awesome organization named HatNotHate. It spawned from Shira Blumenthal, who's the brand ambassador of Lion Brand Yarns, has been for 5-6 years, I believe. And the fact that they would support this initiative means so much. As everyone knows, I'm making certain as much as I can to align myself to companies that share values that all of us do of inclusion, diversity, support, and this Hat Not Hate initiative campaign company founded by Shira is an anti-bullying campaign. And I mean, I'm gay, so everyone within the LGBTQ plus community knows how much you're bullied. I was bullied so much. And it was defining in who I became, but I much would have preferred that it not happened, I think. And what this does is that Shira has everyone create blue hats throughout the year. And ever since she started it, it's almost exponentially risen as to how many hats. And then those hats are spread out through the anti-bullying month. I forgot what month it is. And it's encouraged that the kids wear these blue hats in solidarity to anti-bullying, just to have more confidence and pride. And like me, look, even right now I'm wearing a hat. It's not blue, it's teal. But look at this situation. I'm in between colors. I know that one of y'all would have said something in the comments. And so I put on a hat. And it made me feel confident to do this video. But I asked Shira to just give me a little bit of information about her and Hat Not Hate, and she recorded it, so roll that footage.
Hey everyone, my name is Shira Blumenthal and I am the founder of Hat Not Hate. Hat Not Hate is an anti-bullying campaign where I ask makers all around the world to make blue hats, because blue is the anti-bullying color, and then they send these beautiful blue hats to me, and then I, during the month of October, distribute them to schools all around the country, educating kids on anti-bullying and how we can end bullying and how they can be up standards. And these hats are like hugs for each and every one of those kids, so that they know they are seen, that they know that they are heard, and that they know they are loved. And with your help, I believe that we can end bullying together. So thank you to Mr. Domestic for helping me reach more and more people. And thank you for helping me spread this message by making that blue hat. For more information, you can always go to hatnothate.org. And remember, every hat makes a difference.
So I hope that you all are as amazed and astounded and enthralled with this Hat Not Hate campaign as much as I am. I'm definitely going to be loud and proud about it every year, encouraging everyone to participate, because anti-bullying is something that we should be talking about all of the time, because it happens. And not only does it happen in real life, now it happens online too for our kids. And it's I couldn't have imagined that whenever I was a kid, having two worlds to try to navigate, that they definitely need some help. And this is definitely a nudge in the right direction with Hat Not Hate. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to give away one of these. I bought this with my own money. It's a quick knit loom kit. It comes with the yarn and a loom to make 2 hats. You can have one for yourself, and then if you wanted to, donate the other one to Hat Not Hate. And I'm going to give away one here on YouTube and then another one over on Instagram. And all you have to do is put something in the comments if you want to say, yes, I'm against bullying. If you want to share a story, anything in the comments, just put a comment, make sure that you follow me, and then I will pick a winner 1 week from today. And then there'll be a winner over on YouTube, which is we're here, over on the Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this. I plan on doing more videos like this because I'm really actively spending a lot of energy to see where these, it's not even diamonds in the rough, just gems, beacons within our industry, to showcase them for all of you. And definitely Shira Blumenthal with Hat Not Hate and Lion Brand Yarn are in alignment with that. So on that note, keep it safe, everyone. Keep it positive, and Mr. Domestic out.